Hi guys, so today mag-get ready with me tayo. Grabe yung liwanag, shiny shimmy. Hindi na shining yan, be. Oily na talaga yan.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga yung foundation talaga yun. Tignan mo.
Maputi. Puti yung foundation or like,
Radiant glow.
it's
Radiant glow.
it's nag-aano sa aking sa aking skin. Nag-a-adapt. Yung maputi. Kaya, patry nga ako.
Vanilla ito to eh.
Gusto ko chocolate. Make-upan mo nga ako. Make-upan mo na ba ako?
Oo.
Talaga? Parang pangit. Hindi, try mo. Dapat maganda.
Tapos ka pa.
Dali. Ayoko ng malapit.
Ano eh. Gamitin mo kamay mo. Ikaw mag-blend. Walang ano eh. Sponge.
Ano na? Go.
Walang sponge.
Go.
Ano nalagay mo?
Hmm?
Wow.
Ayun.
Close your eyes, please. Parang di tumatalab. Open your eyes now. Hindi talaga tumatalab sa'yo kasi medyo...
Ano? Anong gusto mong sabihin?
Medyo ano eh.
May natural eyeliner ka na.
Hindi talaga tumatalab. Pero sige. Sige, ma'am.
The thing that I do not want to have. I'm done. This is the look. Just the lips. Hindi nga maano yun sa cheeks ko eh. Hindi halata. Where's the Coco Nicole? Is something there? Or am I dreaming once more?
Yung ano,
I'm not the man you fell in love with. I am not the man you knew. cannot change. And you love me all the same. I know that you've been waiting, waiting. That's the look for today. Of you too.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated G.
Left a trail to live in every island. Huh?
Ay, nawawala naman ang cellphone gani.
Ayun o. And hold on my hand. Was to bring me back to you. So tell me, would you fall in love with me again if you knew all I've done? The things I cannot. I am not the man you knew. I know that you've been waiting, waiting. Could you do me a favor? This moment of labor that could bring me some peace. See that wedding bed? Can you carry it over? Lift it high on your shoulder. Kunin mo nga din yung laptop ko. How could you say this? Yes. I have built my wedding bed with my blood and sweat. Mounted into the olive tree when we first met. The season. Mali. Then you realize what you then asked me. And the only way to move it is to cut it from its roots. Only my husband knew that, so that's that makes him you. Penelope. I will fall in love with you over and over again. Don't know how. I know how well it's been in your mind. Don't tell me you're not the same person. You're always my husband, and I've been waiting, 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 waiting. Say hi. Beko ko pera mo. Ko? Call.
She passed away. I remember. Like, all right, we're gonna take a picture.
Hi guys. Ang ganda-ganda ko naman. Okay. Ay,
Yung alin?
yung pika-pika.
May price kayo. Okay? So, madali lang po. Anyone po, pwede pong mag-join. Okay? So, ready? First, movie. Pwede movie, pwedeng anime. Okay? So, first movie, guys, listen. Tama ba, ha? Frozen Forever. Here's your prize, ma'am. Thank you for joining, okay? So, ang title po niyan ay Frozen. Okay? Okay, listen guys. And now, so i-shine yung ating mechanics ng game natin. This time, music pa rin po. But I characters. Okay, next! Okay, next! Music. Okay?
Today I don't feel like doing it.
Come on, guys. Kung ikay natin by Money po kay may girl. By so may back dito. Alright, so guys, next the music. Ito madali lang to.
Little baby.
Nag-cross po ni Manny, sa isang table po, may representative po. Okay, so, table po dito, pwede sir. Sir, kayo lang. Upo po kayo dito, sir. Dito sa kabilang sir, mag-kayo na po. Opo, active kayo po. Dito po sa table. Ito po pwede. Okay na.
May aftershave.
Para po may wait time. Hop! Okay. Balik kayo na paggaling mo, dalawa. Okay. Isa pang chair. Tanggal ko pa yung isang chair. Okay, ubus na yung puwan. Next! O ito, para mas maganda, iikot muna kayo dyan. Pag-stop ng music, ayun na. Okay. Hindi, magpapadala muna ako ng mga bagay-bagay para mas maganda. Pero bago yan, iikot muna kayo na. Okay, so ito papadala mo next ay isang perasong
Okay. See-through.
more with clapping your hands. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, everyone. Happy birthday. Yay! Palakpak naman tayo. Say happy birthday!
Sir, na yung bit-bit mo, sir. Ayan. Ay, sasagasaan ako. Sorry. Para sila mga ano dun, wanted. Wanted kayo, man. Ah, si Daddy. Baka dun tayo lalabas. Hi guys! Ang oily ko na. Ba't ganun yung mukha ko? So weird. Grabe yun! Tingnan mo. Di pa yung pores mo.
Contrast kasi.
Hi guys! Mag-fit check tayo.
Bag from
Tote bag from
Anshala. Rafael.
Rafaela.
Rafaela May. Rafaela Marie.
Ha?
From Rafaela Marie's birthday. First birthday.
Dapat talaga pa landscape. Kasi vlog na. Okay. Oh my God, anong buhok yan? Ay, sorry. Yo. Ang ganda ko. Ang init, ang itim ko na naman.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Quirino Avenue, C2.